Hey guys. Hey guys, what's up? Hi. 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 So, you won't believe what we're going to do today. I may or may not have been working on something in the past few weeks, months. And yeah, I think I have an announcement. I don't know. I don't know. But first, I can't announce it to you guys looking like this. So, one moment. The glam is all done and
I can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your.
okay, so here's the merch. I'm so excited. My friend Trey, he designed the little pictures on them. See how cute they are? Like, look at it's me putting on lipstick. You see that? You I look like Mona Lisa, like. But yeah, these are the back of the hoodies, and then this is the front, like that. So there's 3 hoodies in the okay, this here. So there's 3 hoodies in the collection. So you have Brat, Angel, and Soft. Those are the 3 hoodies that comes in the collection. Yeah, we've been planning this since early September, and then like we tried something, then we didn't like it, so like we redid everything, and this is what we came out with. So you'll be able to purchase 3 hoodies and a poster, and that's like all of the collection. And the only thing else is that the Brat hoodie, this pink one, it comes in black as well. We wanted to give you like an option to have like one black item, or you just like the color black. You can get the Brat one in black with my face on the back. You like, I like, you like, we like, you buy. Buy it. I want your money.
Give me your money.
Okay, so I'm gonna try them on. Okay, so here's the soft hoodie. Ironically, it's soft, but it's the loudest color in the collection. It just says soft on the front, and then it has a picture of me with like my brown wig on. It's kind of like the look that I did a few weeks ago, the blue eyeshadow look. I'll just insert a picture right here. So
Buy it. I want your money.
So this is the soft hoodie. It's like a really bright orange. Kind of weird that like I wanted to do a really bright orange color since it's like winter, but I did it. And you're gonna buy it. But I paired it with like an orange scrunchie and like this little ABH bag because it's like orange and purple, and it matches like the eyeshadow on the back, which is like kind of a moment, kind of like really cute. Like, can you see it? Can you see it? You probably couldn't see it, but just know it snaps. Oh my god, I need to brush this. It says soft on the front because I feel like that's kind of like my aesthetic. I feel like I give off a very soft boy or soft girl at times. And yeah, I really love the whole soft movement. It's like so cute and just like really butterflies, clouds, blues, pinks, yellows, whites, all of those things. And yeah, I feel like it just describes me in a way. So all of these like hoodies are basically just different aesthetics of me, you know, like what I go by. So yeah, soft is one of my aesthetics, and it's like really cute, and I like it. You like it. You're gonna buy it. This hair's in my face. This hair's in my mouth. This hair's all over. I'm giving you very much Kylie Jenner. Just on to the next hoodie. So here's the okay. This is out of control. Okay, so here's the hoodie. Angel, baby pink, get into it, get into it. The angel on the back, aka me, with a little halo, so cute. Trey Snap, the house down boots, bust down. Get into it. Get in, just soak it in. Just let you soak it in. Look at the clouds. Look at the blonde. Look at the halo. Look at it. Buy it. Buy it. So, this one is the Angel hoodie. And this one is my personal favorite because like soft pink, like the baby pink, just really does something to me. Yeah, so this one says Angel, and I'm like obsessed with like clouds and like angels and wings and halos and stuff like that. I think it's like so cute. And I paired it with like a pink scrunchie because Fiscal Girl things and then I put like a little rhinestone choker on because I feel like this one is very cute and adorable but glam. And this little clutch throw on, like I don't know what this is, like a little rhinestone, like little thing to like throw on. Chain angel. On the back, this one is me and my blonde wig. So yeah, the angel hoodie. Oh my god, this clutch is fighting. Get into it. Detail, detail. Yeah, this is my favorite one. And since it's my favorite, you should buy it. And here's the last one. This is the rat. Okay, you can't even say brat hoodie. This is everyone's personal favorite, like from who I've shown. They love this one. So, you love it too, don't you? And what are you gonna do?
Buy it. You're gonna buy it.
Just like a regular pink, you know? On the back, it's me with my black wig on, my everyday wig, putting on like pink lipstick. Get into the detail, you really gotta get into this one, because this one is probably like my favorite art out of the three, because he came up with it so quick, like the idea, the sparkles, and like the hair clips, because like I love me
a good hair clip, sweetie.
Love me a good hairpin. Everything is on point. This one is supposed to be like more fashionable, more insta-baddie, more, you know, instead of like adorable and soft, it's like brat, like she's a baddie, she's an insta-baddie. Yeah, let me put it on. I'm tired of this transition, but alright, so here's the brat hoodie on. Super cute, super comfortable.
So comfy.
For December, the cold, the burr, so warm, so toasty. And I am gonna hype up my merch because it's my merch, why wouldn't I? So yeah, the brat hoodie, a cute pink, picture of me on the back. Get into it. Super cute, super fun, super fresh. Love it so much. We really worked so hard on these designs. Like I said, we started in September. The first time around we tried it, we ended up not liking what we came up with. Wanted to do more, so like we did more. We love it. It was so much fun collaborating with someone so close to me and like my best friend. I wouldn't have wanted to collab with anybody else. I look crazy right now, but who's going to check me? You're not, because you're gonna buy my merch.
Busy buying my merch.
Yeah, that's the entire collection. It's just the 3 hoodies, and you can get a poster if you want to. We just put it up. You can go ahead and just copy a poster. It's like really cute. I'll put a picture of it like right here. That's it for the collection, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, as much as we do, as much as everyone around me does. They've all supported me. They've all loved it. They all thought it was cute, and everyone's so excited about it. And I'm excited to finally tell you it's like coming, it's here. So you'll be able to purchase these hoodies December 1st, tomorrow, which is, yeah, tomorrow. So get your money ready.
Ready.
You'll be able to purchase them on Teespring. I'll release the link when it's lunchtime. Not lunchtime. I'll release the link on Instagram when it's lunchtime, so make sure you're following my Instagram at josheir so you could be updated and notified when it happens. I'll also probably make a YouTube post about it if I know how to do it, because I gotta know how to break it. You'll know when you know. Just follow me on Instagram. I will keep you updated. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Where's this bitch? Where is she? She's scared.
That's the end of the video. You guys can follow me on Instagram at josheir, Twitter, josheir, Snapchat, josheir. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Buy my merch.
You're gonna buy it.
Buy it. And I'll see you in the next. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, skinnies.